Hello, children. Sacred Heart High School welcomes you all. Today, we'll be learning Environmental Studies Part 1, Lesson number 12, Home Remedies for Simple Illnesses. Now, children, illnesses can be minor or major. Minor illnesses can be cured by home. They can be cured in a short term by giving them the home remedies. And major illnesses have to be taken care by doctors, and for that we need to go to clinics or hospitals. These illnesses are not cured in a short term. Now, illnesses may cause due to many reasons, but when we are unwell, our health is affected. But when we are well, we feel happy at the right time, we are hungry, we get a good sleep at night, we have no complaints of digestion, we feel refreshed and we get up early, we do not feel tired. But if a person is ill, all the above mentioned activities are disturbed. Now, what are the home remedies? Home remedies are useful for illnesses that are cured readily. Elderly and experienced people usually know such home remedies and they tell this to others. Now, some of the common home remedies are as follow. Bad throat. When we have a bad throat, we can gargle with a warm water. Then cold. When we have a cold, we can inhale a steam and hot fermentation on the chest, and we can also take a steam at bedtime when we are having cold and cough. Then vomiting when we have due to indigestion, what we can do, we can give patient a cold lemon sherbet or curd and rice. Then when we have a mild fever, what we should do, we should insist on meals and we should go for a light diet. Now, if you have a cuts and bruises and small wounds, so what we should do, by washing the wounds with clean water or dabbing dry and applying tincture iodine, covering with clean cotton and bandaging. Home remedies have a limits. If a person does not recover in a day or two, you should always take a doctor's advice. One must never take any medicine without the advice of a doctor. Now, children, we also have here people who provide health services to society. Now, let us see what is that. Health service or medical service is a service in which health of the people is taken care of. Treatment is also provided to the sick persons. Now, what is health services here? It means health services like doctors' clinics, hospitals, government hospitals and municipal corporations hospitals, primary health care centers. Now, these primary health centers you may see mostly in rural areas like in villages, and there patients are given treatment and concessional in government hospitals. So, in today's lesson, we have learned what home remedies we can make. Now, also there is this leaf called Vasaka leaf. The extract of Vasaka leaf is a remedy to cure cold and cough. In this lesson, very important thing we have learned is you should never take any medicine without doctor's advice. Thank you.